Okay, to continue on our circular stitching, I have changed the Sears Kenmore cam to cam number 24. Let's see. See, it looks like a little heart-shaped tulip, kind of. And I need to, I've got the presser foot up, needle up, and what I want to do now is I want to adjust the, so I need to push those two little side levers back a hair. So I'll unlock this so that I can scoot it just a hair closer into the, actually the very, this is the absolute smallest circle you can stitch, and I have not practiced this, so with it not being stabilized, I can't guarantee these will turn out as beautiful as they should, just because I didn't stabilize the fabric or practice first. But I want to try it anyway. Okay, let's see for that one. I wonder if I keep that same, I'm not sure if I've got the right stitch width for it, but or stitch length for it. I should have checked that, but we'll see. Nope. I will have to make the stitch length a little longer. Probably right. The red line there is probably about right. Okay. Looks like it might be okay, maybe. Because this does some reverse stitching as part of the design. I did not make sure that I had it properly set for it, so it looks like it's doing it too short to make it big enough to see. I wonder, let's see. Oh, I forgot to change that. Oops. Well, we'll see how the other part of it looks. That part is a little closer to what it should be. You can go fast, I've just been going slower in general. Okay, well anyway, let's unlock that by pushing those back. Now we can scoot this out. And there we have actually kind of a cute little design. Looks like a little hat, doesn't it? But now I can stitch that on my bath towel and it'll actually look sort of cute. That's how you do the decorative stitches on the Sears Kenmore. The model 158.950, which is model 95. This is the cam for the zigzag stitch. It's cam number 1. Whoops. Cam number 1. Come on, focus. Silly phone. Anyway, cam number 1. The actual number on this one's 26841. That's the part number for it. And the part number for the center design I did, it's cam 24. It is part 26864, if I'm reading properly. 26864, I think. Anyway, great machines, absolutely wonderful. And I love that it's got the knee bar, little storage on the door for the manual and stuff. But that's the Sears Kenmore circular stitcher. And to remove it, you pinch that, pull it off. It has a thumbtack type part. That's what you actually attach it to do your circular stitching. But, boy, this phone doesn't focus that great. Of course, I haven't practiced any of this. But anyway, it does pretty well, despite me not stabilizing my fabric first. You can see that's why it made the little point right there. That's where I had let the fabric stretch too much, because I didn't starch it or stabilize it before stitching. Thank you. Goodbye.